Putting eyelashes under your eye used to scare me so much. I didn't understand why people did it, but now I get the hype. We're doing at-home lashes today. This is the brand that I'm using, and I got them in hybrid. And for $69, I usually pay $100 or $90 for a full set. So for $69, I thought, why not give these a go? You get like a lot of sizes. You get 10 to 16. And then you've got like the seal, the bond, the remover, and like your little tweezer thing. I'm gonna get the bond and do just the inner corners. Sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off there. Just the inner corners first. And that is like literally all I'm doing is that. And then I'm grabbing this bad boy. It comes in the kit. So I have it like that. Okay, well, you can use this, but I prefer to use my fingers just to like pinch them down. So if anyone wants to know, I went 10, 12, 12, 14, 14. It's a close up if anyone wants to see. Cool. Okay, we're gonna do that again, but on this eye. So again, bond. It is very like sticky straight away. Last one. Perf. How long do I usually lie down for? Like 45 minutes to an hour. This took 20 minutes. And your lashes can just grow freely underneath and you can just like redo them, because I swear I was that bitch that ripped all of my eyelashes out just out of habit. But now my lashes are nice and grown. Last but not least, the seal. I think you just go boom, boom, boom. Like that, apparently. And that is that. These are my lashes. Took 22 minutes.